Hello. So welcome to the fourth part of the Life Purpose series, and today I'm going to talk about the role of inspiration in the path of fulfilling your life purpose. So before I begin, I'd like you to know that this is the fourth part of the Life Purpose series, and if you have not already watched the last three videos that I've put up, I'd share a link of the playlist somewhere above the video, and you can watch them to be notified about some of the topics that are involved in the series. Now, coming to the role of inspiration in fulfilling your life purpose, as I mentioned, that as you align yourself to your life path, which I've talked about in my first video, you start getting hints that you are on the right track on your life. The first hint will be you will feel good. Now, if you follow your inner guidance, you will be able to align more to your life path, and you will get these indicators. There will be feelings of all sort of like good feelings like joy, there will be bliss, there will be inspiration, there will be passion, there will be ecstasy and everything. And these indicators are basically there to tell you that you are on the right path. You are actually slowly moving forward in the right direction in life, where you're supposed to be, what you're supposed to do, what you're here for. All the experience that you really want are soon going to be in your view, because you are finally coming into track in life, to say like that. Now, here the role of inspiration becomes very important. Now, in my last video, I talked about how your comfort level should be your top priority. Now, as you make your comfort your top priority, you slowly line yourself up to live your life in a very aligned way to your inner state of being. You do not put yourself into uncomfortable situations just for the sake of being uncomfortable, and you pay attention to your inner indicators, to your inner guidance system on a moment-to-moment basis. Now, once your life becomes, when your inner state of being becomes very comfortable and the comfort level increases, soon you'll be able to hear the presence of inspiration in your life. You will feel inspired to do something. Now, again, if you have not watched my last video where I talk about increasing your comfort level, if you are in a very uncomfortable situation right now in your life for whatever reason, for maybe health reasons, for maybe financial reasons, for relationship reasons, for whatever reason, if your comfort levels are low, inspiration cannot come. Right? Inspiration is something that is there always and the back of your being, but it is not made visible because of the layer of discomfort. Right? And that is why the first thing that you take care of is your comfort levels, because once you take care of your comfort levels, once it goes up, the whole dissonance goes out of your life, and finally you are able to hear the presence of inspiration. Now, so if you have done my comfort exercise already, which I talked about in my last video, then this is right time that you would be probably already are feeling some sort of inspiration coming out for you. If you are not feeling inspiration, it is soon going to come anyway, if you just pay a little attention to it. Like maybe just you noticed one day you just feel like you're not just taking a walk in the park for no reason. Inspiration will not state the reason why they are so inspiring. That is not how inspiration works. Inspiration do not come and tell you, no, this is why I'm inspiring you. No, it will come like that because it is higher guidance. Higher guidance are meant to be trusted and not to be analyzed. Okay, that is why higher guiding systems are there for. That is why they are higher than you in the first place. But still, it is you yourself who is guiding yourself. It's just a higher part of your being, but it is not something that you try to decode. Okay, that is not what the purpose is. The purpose is to trust it and apply it, what the indicators tell you. Now, as I mentioned, once the inspiration comes, just like you allowed yourself to be a little more comfortable last time, this time allow yourself to even do yourself a just one day experiment. Allow yourself to follow through your inspiration as they come, and without asking questions, take action on your inspiration without thinking what is going to happen, how it is going to connect up with my dreams and all that stuff, my vision and all that stuff, how it's going to take care of my, finances or anything. Do not think anything about it. The inspiration has come, act on it. Okay? Do it like an experiment. For one day, act on your inspiration. Now, why? Inspiration come, as I mentioned, once you have ascended a little bit, once your higher guiding system feels that, okay, this guy is allowing me to communicate, allowing to, me to pierce through the to his life. And this is how, first, once you have trusted the comfort levels, the inspiration comes in. Now, the inspiration, as I mentioned, once you act on it, they are not going to follow a logical trail, a linear, logically understandable trail that you will be able to understand, okay, now I'm inspired to do this, so probably the next inspiration will be like this. It won't be. You cannot calculate or track anything. Maybe once you feel inspired to just listen to music, next inspiration would be to go have a particular food, and third inspiration probably would be to talk to your friend, then to take a walk, and then to maybe just relax and chill, and maybe then to do some sort of work related activities, but it is inspired work and it's not work, and it's just follow this breadcrumb trail of inspirational indications, just it. Okay, now as I mentioned, like, why do you do this? It's because your inspirations are directly connected to your life path. Okay? If you really have no rational, logical, linear way to find out what your life path is and what you should do, those things that you call your desires, those things that you call your passion, those things that you call your vision and mission or whatever, it seems that these are yours. But if you really look to the origin of it, where those desires suddenly came from, things that you so love, where did they came from? One day you feel really inspired about something, but where did the inspiration came from? Did you choose to be inspired about this? Like, for example, I love music and I wanted to play instrumental music for a long period of time. But where did this inspiration came from? Did I choose when I was born, like, okay, I am going to choose this inspiration? No, it just came as an inspiration. So that is how inspiration operates. It comes to you. You do not choose them. And then you get identified with it. And then what happens? You think like these are yours. And then when the next inspiration comes, if it's a little different, you resist it. And that is why you are not moving smoothly towards your life path. It's because to understand your inspirations are yours, but they are as much of your higher state of being, the higher mind, the higher consciousness that I keep talking about, as well as yours. So that aspect, the higher state of being, the bigger dimension of yourself, is actually which has complete clarity about what your life path is. And you as a physical mind body consciousness do not have, you need not even have, because then it would not be fun in your life to have all the things known, right? There should be some amount of uncertainty in life to keep the excitement going, right? So that is the thing. Your inspirations are completely known to your higher mind, and they are like vibrational frequencies, and your life path is also just a state of frequency. Okay, and your inspiration are just breadcrumbs that align you to your life path frequency. Your life path that I keep talking about is not actually just a roadway or a path or actionable items that you do in your life. This is actually a state of being. Your life path is actually a state of being, a state of frequency of your consciousness. Now, when you align yourself to that frequency of your consciousness, your true core vibration, what happens is your life path becomes very, very clear. So these inspirations, the inspirations that come, they are just aligned towards your core vibration, and that is why they are aligned to your life path. So what I want you to do is just experiment for one day and to follow through your inspiration, even if they are random, even if they don't make any sense. Just trust it for one day, experiment with it and see what your experiences are. right? Now, if you do this experiment, I'd love to, leave a comment uh, in the channel. If you're watching it in my YouTube channel, or if you're watching my Facebook page, or in my YouTube, or in my website, leave a comment and let me know like what your experiences are, how you have felt. If you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, I'd love if you would subscribe to my channel, because I would be putting up daily uploads related to this life purpose series, and which will help you to ascend to your higher state of being. If you are a person who is going through this evolution, which a lot of people are throughout the world at the moment, this life purpose series is for you, so that you can transcend to the higher state of being, the wizard state of being that I keep talking about. And I will be talking about in great detail in very recent lectures, recent uploads. So this is going to help you to smoothly transition from your hero version to your wizard version of yourself, where everything happens in your life in almost like magic, and it's a much enjoyable, harmonious state of life, where life is wanting to bring to you right now. So if you're watching my video, there is a very high chance you're one of them for whom this message is relevant. So if you, I'd like you to press the bell button or the notification button, because every day I'm going to upload these videos, so that way you will be notified when my next upload comes. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.